In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform an internal migration at Hostinger. This is a quick tutorial designed to guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Hostinger website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account to access the necessary features for this migration process. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger dashboard, which is where you'll accomplish most of the tasks. Next, locate the website section in your dashboard. This is your hub for managing all the websites associated with your Hostinger account. Clicking on this section will present you with various options and tabs. Within the website section, find and click on the Migrations tab. This is where you can initiate the migration process from one Hostinger account to another. Don't worry, the interface is user-friendly and designed to make this process as seamless as possible. Now that you're in the Migrations section, you'll want to click on the Migrate Website button. This button is crucial as it prompts Hostinger services to begin setting up the transfer of your site's data. If you're migrating a website to WordPress specifically, it's time to upload backup files. You'll see an option that says Upload Backup Files. Clicking this will allow you to select the necessary files from your device and prepare them for migration. Remember, having backups is always a good idea, even if you're not migrating, as it ensures your data is safely stored. After selecting your backup files, go ahead and click on the Upload button. This step uploads the files to the Hostinger server, making them available for the migration process. Ensure that all necessary files are uploaded correctly, otherwise you may run into issues later on. Once you're confident that everything has been uploaded, click on the I'm Uploaded Everything button. This step is essentially your confirmation that you have completed the file upload process and are ready to proceed further. With your files uploaded, click on the Submit Request button. This request submission is what officially starts the migration process from your end to Hostinger's team, allowing them to begin working on your specific migration needs. If your situation requires uploading through cPanel, you should now use the Use Login Details option. It enables you to directly access cPanel with the credentials you have. As you do this, type in your website's address in the provided field and click Next to move forward in the setup process. Continue by selecting cPanel as the platform you're migrating from and fill in all the necessary login information when prompted. Hit Next to go to the final steps. And finally, once you've verified everything, go ahead and click on the Submit Request button at the bottom right. This final step communicates your completed request to Hostinger, and you'll soon see the results of your migration efforts. That's it for this quick tutorial. Remember, keeping track of your uploads and ensuring all steps are followed will make your migration smooth and efficient. Thanks for watching and good luck with your Hostinger migration.